Assalamu alaikum. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ricky Laltia, where simple turns into delicious. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super simple homemade condensed milk using 3 ingredients. So without further any ado, let's start with this recipe. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 cups of milk powder. In a pan, you're going to add the sugar and water, place it on a medium heat and let it to boil. Stir occasionally until the sugar completely dissolves and form a clear syrup. Once the syrup is ready, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it to melt fully. This gives your condensed milk a rich and smooth texture. In a blender, you're going to add 2 cups of milk powder and the syrup. Blend everything until the mixture becomes thick, smooth and creamy. This should take only a few seconds. After blending, let it to cool down. As it cools, it will thicken even more, and then pour it in a tight container. I got 2 containers that can last for approximately 1 to 2 months. And there we go, you have your homemade condensed milk. This is perfect for cakes, ice cream or any dessert of your choice. And enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for simple and delicious ideas. And I'm Ricky Laltia, where simple turns into delicious, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.